last year saw the release of the Silhouette, which blends Sean McDowell's 1998 progressive Air Max Plus design with the Swoosh's waffle trainer from the 1970s. A footwear model that seems both familiar and novel is the end result. In contrast to previous iterations that emphasized vivid green and purple hues, the most recent version of the Air Max sneaker features dark orange hues across its suede and mesh top. Nike's history of innovation is demonstrated by the aggressive, waffle-patterned rubber outsole that pairs with the tuned air sensation underfoot. In order to establish the product as belonging to the Oregon-based organization, branding components also play with the various eras. Savor in-depth images of the orange-covered Air Max Waffle SP up front, thanks to its size, coming from the United Kingdom. The shoe is anticipated to be available on Nike.com around October.